Welcome to Light & Bold Frankfurt Messe. It's really great to be here. There is a buzz in the air. I'm at the ABB stand where the theme for our show this year is smarter homes, smarter buildings, smarter cities and smarter mobility. We have been showcasing innovative solutions to help our customers and to really enable them to solve some of the challenges in these industries.
We are coming back to our face-to-face events, and we are pleased to see and meet our customers in the Light & Building Fair. We would like to embrace a discussion related to the smarter buildings, because the buildings consumes around 40% of all the global energy. And together with the customers, we need to find a common ways how to achieve global sustainability goals.
How can we make our buildings more sustainable? This is a question that I get very often today here at Light & Building. And well, ABB's answer is Mission to Zero. Mission to Zero is our journey to carbon neutrality. We implemented first in our lighthouse sites in Lüdenscheid here in Germany, and many more sites around the world are developing.